Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Williams. I am a product manager at Dell Technologies, and today we are going to be unboxing the Latitude 7410. Very excited about this product. This is our premium tier product line within Latitude. So let's go ahead and open the box. We have the power cord, your standard 3-prong power cord. We also have the adapter. So this is a 65-watt adapter with a USB Type-C connector. And of course you have the laptop itself. So go ahead and unwrap this. This is the Latitude 7410. Out of the box, you'll notice we have an aluminum chassis, brushed aluminum finish to the A cover. The Latitude 7410 is the world's smallest premium laptop. So we're very excited about just how compact this system is. You'll also notice how thin it is, the nice shiny hinges as well. This particular system is a 2-in-1 system. So when you open the system, not only can you use it as a traditional laptop, you can put it in tent mode, or you can turn the hinge to use it all the way in tablet mode. So a lot of versatility with this particular system. One of the nice things about the Latitude 7000 series is that you do have a broad range of premium options. Not only do we have the aluminum version, we also have your carbon fiber version, which I'll just show here. So this is our carbon fiber version. Notice the nice premium carbon fiber weave. This particular Latitude 7410 actually features your traditional laptop hinge. So this is, again, your traditional laptop version, goes all the way to a full 180 degrees. So let's look at the ports on this system. As you look on the outside of the system, you'll notice some of the ports. We've got the smart card reader. We've got the HDMI port here as well, HDMI 2.0, the 2 USB Type-C connectors, the micro SD card reader, and then of course your standard smart card reader. On the back of the system, you'll notice these nice premium aluminum hinges. So a very nice look and feel to this premium tier laptop. You'll also notice the exhaust here, the exhaust holes there. On the other side of the system, we've got our wedge-shaped lock slot, the 2 USB Type-A connectors, as well as the headphone microphone jack. So let's take a look at the front of screen experience. So right when you open the system, what you'll notice is the thin bezels that we have. So with the Latitude 7000 series, we take a lot of care to optimize the space. So you've got these nice narrow bezels. You've got the camera at the top with the integrated mechanical camera shutter. Nice privacy control there. This system also features the express sign-in experience. It uses the proximity sensor together with Windows Hello to enable a touchless login experience. So when you approach the laptop, express sign-in will kick on and log you in. And then when you walk away, it will automatically lock. We also have an ambient light sensor that will enable the screen to adjust brightness depending on the lighting environment. All right, this system, as I said before, is a 2-in-1 system and features our anti-reflective coating on our Gorilla Glass. This is a touchscreen, so it supports 10-finger touch. The Latitude 7410 also has a variety of LCD options on the laptop version. We're very excited to introduce the industry's first 4K panel with integrated low blue light. So that hardware, the low blue light hardware, is integrated into the screen. A nice feature to help support eye comfort. Some of the other features, when you look at the palm rest, you'll notice we have an upgraded keyboard versus our previous generations of Latitude 7000 series, the larger font on the keys. You'll notice that we've moved the power button. It's now integrated as part of the keyboard. And this particular model uses the fingerprint reader that's integrated in the power button. We are excited to have the larger trackpad on the system as well. You'll notice that we don't have the traditional buttons. Instead, we have one smooth click pad. This one has a nice premium glass-like feel, so your finger just kind of glides across that trackpad there. Our aluminum options, of course, support WLAN. Our carbon fiber versions support WWAN. On the Latitude 7410, you have a choice of our Cat9 WLAN cards, which gives up to 450 megabit per second download speeds, or you can choose the Cat16 option, which gives you download speeds up to a gigabit per second. So a lot of options there as well. You've got a nice magnetic closure in the front and a nice little catch here to help you seamlessly open the laptop. So a nice feature that we've integrated there. Of course, on the bottom of the system, you'll notice the vent pattern. We've done a lot to upgrade the thermals on this particular version of the Latitude 7410 compared to previous generations. You'll notice that we have a larger fan versus previous generations. We also have dual heat pipes and several other innovations such as aerogel that we've integrated to really help improve the thermal performance. You'll also notice the 8 captive screws that we have to enable ease of serviceability. All of our Latitude systems feature Dell Optimizer. And one of the nice things about Dell Optimizer is that it leverages machine learning to learn and adapt based on how the end user uses the system. There are other features within Dell Optimizer. One feature, of course, is the adaptive thermal performance. So the thermals will adapt based on how the end user is using the system. We also have features such as Express Charge. We can charge the battery up to 80% in 1 hour. There's also Express Charge Boost, which can charge the battery 35% in about 20 minutes. There are also other features such as Express Sign-In as well. So a lot of optimization that's integrated into the 7410. And when you combine that with the hardware experience and all of the premium features we've talked about, you really do have just a nice system for that on-the-go professional that's got to perform at their peak at any time. One of the other nice features that we've integrated with the 7410 are the 3 battery options. You've got a 3-cell 39 watt-hour battery, you've got a 4-cell 52 watt-hour battery, and then you have an option for a 6-cell 68 watt-hour battery. And that 6-cell battery goes all the way up to 24 hours of battery life. So we're very excited about that innovation as well. We really do design for sustainability, with sustainability in mind. This system uses 100% waterborne paints on all painted parts. The system is also registered as an EPEAT Gold platform. So we're very, very proud of that as well. So this concludes the unboxing of the Latitude 7410. We hope you're as excited to try out this system. And please go to Dell.com to learn more.